What if two simple fish you already know could help you lower blood sugar? Calm inflammation, protect your heart and kidneys, support your nerves, and even improve insulin sensitivity. No trends, no pills. Just real food that speaks your body's language. In this script, you will learn why salmon and sardines deserve a permanent spot on a diabetes-friendly plate. Exactly how they work inside you, how much to eat, the safest ways to buy and cook them, and easy recipes you can start this week. Stay to the end for a 7-day action plan, simple shopping lists, and quick answers to common questions. This content is educational and not medical advice. If you use insulin or medicines that can cause low blood sugar, talk with your own clinician before you make changes. Fish 1 salmon brings 0 carbohydrates. That means 0 direct glycemic load. A standard cooked portion, about 3 to 4 ounces, gives steady protein, healthy fats, vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and potassium. Together, these nutrients touch every system that diabetes stresses. Think of insulin like a key and your muscle cells like a door. In insulin resistance, the door sticks. The omega-3 fats in salmon help that door move. They support the glucose transport channels in muscles so sugar leaves the bloodstream and fuels your tissues. That means smaller spikes after meals and smoother energy. Inflammation is the slow fire that drives diabetic complications. Salmon puts out that fire. The omega-3 fats called EPA and DHA lower C-reactive protein. Calm the lining of your blood vessels and help your arteries relax. People who eat fatty fish regularly often see lower triglycerides, better HDL, and steadier blood pressure. Nerve care matters too. DHA is a building block of the brain and the protective myelin that wraps around nerves. When you eat salmon, you supply the raw material your nerves use to repair themselves. That is important if you feel burning, tingling, or numbness in the hands or feet. Salmon also helps your inner batteries. Inside each cell, your mitochondria make energy. In diabetes, those batteries can get weak. Omega-3 fats help repair the membranes of those batteries so they produce cleaner energy. You feel it as better focus and less fatigue. 2 more wins. First, vitamin D1 portion of salmon can cover most of a full day's need. Low vitamin D is common in diabetes and is linked to poor insulin function. Second, vitamin B12. Many people who take metformin run low on B12 over time. Salmon helps refill that tank, which supports nerves, red blood cells, and clear thinking. How to buy and cook salmon: choose wild-caught when you can, such as sockeye or Alaskan varieties. If you buy farmed salmon, look for reputable sources with strong standards. Mercury in salmon is very low compared to large predatory fish. Keep the cooking gentle. Grill, bake, air fry, or poach. Seasoned with lemon, garlic, black pepper, dill, or turmeric. Avoid sugary glazes. A healthy portion is the size of your palm, about 3 to 4 ounces. 2 to 3 times per week. Quick salmon recipes: salmon, lemon tray, bake. Place fillets on a sheet pan with asparagus or broccoli. Brush with olive oil and lemon. Bake until flaky. Salmon yogurt bowl. Flake leftover salmon over warm quinoa. Add a spoon of plain Greek yogurt, chopped cucumber, and dill. Salmon avocado wrap. Fill large lettuce leaves with warm salmon, avocado slices, and a squeeze of lime. Fish TWO sardines are small, affordable, and powerful. They bring almost no carbs, steady protein, a strong dose of omega-3 fats, natural CoQ10 for cellular energy, lots of vitamin B12, and a rare mineral mix from the soft, edible bones with calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D for diabetics. That is a dream team. Just like salmon. The omega-3 fats in sardines help insulin work better at the cell surface. They also turn down genetic switches that drive inflammation. That means less strain on blood vessels, eyes, kidneys, and nerves. CoQ10 is the spark plug of your mitochondria. Sardines deliver it in food form, so your cells make energy more efficiently. Many people notice better steady energy when sardines are a weekly habit. The soft bones in sardines provide a natural calcium plus vitamin D pair that your body absorbs well. That supports bone strength and also helps with proper muscle contraction and nerve signaling. For anyone with early bone loss, this food combo matters. Vitamin B12 in sardines often exceeds a full day's requirement in one can. If you take metformin, this can help protect against B12 depletion and nerve symptoms. Selenium in sardines helps your body rebuild glutathione, the master antioxidant that protects your organs from high glucose stress. Sardines are also low in mercury and highly sustainable. Average mercury levels are among the lowest of common fish, which makes frequent use much safer. How to buy and cook sardines: choose sardines packed in extra virgin olive oil, spring water, or with lemon. Skip those in seed oils or sweet sauces. If you watch sodium, give them a quick rinse. Quick sardine recipes: Mediterranean bowl. Mix sardines with diced tomato, cucumber, olives, and parsley. Drizzle with lemon and olive oil. Serve over chopped romaine. Sardine avocado smash. Mash sardines with avocado, lemon, and a pinch of mustard. Spoon onto cucumber rounds or whole grain seed crackers if they fit your plan. Warm veggie skillet. Saute zucchini and peppers in olive oil. Stir in sardines at the end with lemon and capers. Serve over cauliflower rice. How much, how often, and WH name for 2 to 4 fish meals per week. For most people, that looks like salmon twice and sardines once or twice. A portion is 3 to 4 ounces cooked. If your goal is lower triglycerides and fewer spikes after meals, place fish at lunch or dinner with non-starchy vegetables and a slow carb like lentils or quinoa in small amounts. Drink water with fish meals. If you use glucose tracking, check your numbers 1 hour and 2 hours after eating. Most people will see a flatter curve with these plates than with chicken plus bread or pasta. Pairing plates that stay sta salmon plus asparagus plus half cup cooked quinoa. Eat the salmon and asparagus first, then the quinoa. Sardines plus avocado plus big green salad. Add olive oil and lemon. Salmon plus roasted broccoli plus tahini drizzle. The fiber and fats slow digestion. Sardines plus tomato cucumber salad plus a side of cauliflower rice. Very low glycemic load. Safety and smart Thai peacekeep sauces clean. Avoid honey, brown sugar, and heavy glazes. Use herbs, lemon, garlic, and spices. Rotate sources. Wild salmon, then sardines, then back again. Variety lowers exposure to any one contaminant and keeps taste buds happy. Watch sodium in canned fish. Choose no salt added when you can, or rinse before serving. Mind your medicines. If you use insulin or drugs that can cause lows, high-protein meals may change your dose needs. Track and discuss with your clinician. 7-day action, PL in day 1. Salmon tray bake with asparagus at dinner. Day. Sardine avocado smash at lunch with a large salad. Day 3. Leftover salmon in a lettuce wrap with yogurt dill sauce. Day 4. Mediterranean sardine bowl for a fast lunch. Day 5. Salmon over warm quinoa with steamed green beans. Day 6. Sardine veggie skillet over cauliflower rice. Day 7. Your favorite of the week, repeated. Sip water before each meal. Eat protein and non-starchy vegetables first. Walk 10 minutes after dinner. Note your numbers and how you feel. Tell me in the comments where you are watching from and which fish you will try first this week. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants steadier numbers without complicated rules.